comprehensive ophthalmologist,
Must
optometrists, they
learn.
become aware
Yes.
of the latest advancement and treatment.
Is it important for somebody who practices glaucoma to go ahead with a fellowship and then go ahead doing these surgeries, or any general ophthalmologist can take over and start doing?
Glaucoma is so much prevalent,
Yeah.
then it cannot be just tackled by glaucoma specialists.
Why is a women ophthalmic society important for any woman to be a part of that society?
Say that it's a man's world.
Yes.
If you are not able to catch up during that time,
Yes, you're way
lag
behind. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
You are a very, very beautiful face of Women Ophthalmic Society. In fact, I feel you are one of the backbones of the society. And I have been seeing your journey for many, many years now. You inspire all of us. Can you tell me more about you first?
So I am Dr. Sunita Dubey, and I am Medical Director and Director of Glaucoma Services at Dr. Shroff's Charity Eye Hospital. So I have been there for the last 30 years, and I have grown with the hospital. And initially I was cataract specialist. Then I did my fellowship from Wills Eye Institute, and now I am doing more of glaucoma than cataract.
Oh, that's amazing. Glaucoma is very, it's a disease where yet a lot of awareness is required, and so much more is coming in that field with MIGS coming up and so many newer surgeries coming up. What do you think is important? Like, is it important for somebody who practices glaucoma to go ahead with a fellowship and then go ahead doing these surgeries, or any general ophthalmologist can take over and start doing?
I think your question is very pertinent because glaucoma is so much prevalent.
Yeah.
Then it cannot be just tackled by glaucoma specialists. I think because 10% of our patients belong to glaucoma.
Yeah.
So I think every comprehensive ophthalmologist should learn to manage glaucoma. The paradigm of glaucoma management has changed a lot over a period of time. As you rightly said, now the MIGS have come up.
Yes.
And so it is very important to target and tackle glaucoma when it is at the early
Early
stage to
stages.
prevent blindness.
Yes.
And we need to, as glaucoma specialists, we need to create awareness amongst comprehensive ophthalmologists that they have to intervene. Now, along with cataract surgery, they can do minimally invasive glaucoma surgery, or they can do SLT
Yes.
as first line of treatment,
Absolutely.
rather than just keeping the patient on medical management, just
For the
stepping
long
up
run. Yes.
and making the patient lose vision over a period of time, because the compliance with medication is very, very poor.
That's
So
true.
I think now with so many latest advancements, it is very important that all comprehensive ophthalmologists, optometrists, they
learn.
become aware
Yes.
of the latest advancement and treatment.
True,
of
true,
glaucoma.
true, ma'am. One last question, ma'am. You are the face of WOS, as I said in the beginning. Can you give me a little bit about what is Women Ophthalmic Society? Why is it required? I mean, there are so many societies in India, internationally. Why is a Women Ophthalmic Society important for any woman to be a part of that society?
I think again this is very, very important because women sometimes they lose a few years because of their family
Yes.
engagements.
Yes.
They are at that age where they have to pay attention to their family as well as their career.
Yes.
So sometimes they lag behind.
Absolutely.
And I would say that it's a man's world.
Yes.
If you are not able to catch up during that time,
Yes, you're way
lag
behind.
So
Absolutely.
I feel initially I didn't believe in Women Ophthalmic Society, but over a period of time it has grown so much, and now we see that all the young women, they are getting
Yes.
the chance to
To
showcase their
showcase.
talent.
Absolutely.
And this society is giving them the platform,
Yes.
to present themselves. And today only we saw all the presentations where it was fun with content, and that is why
Yeah.
it kept everyone engaged.
True.
So I think we have our own society wherein we can network, we can present our
Yes.
good work.
Absolutely.
And,
So
and
I
we can
think
enjoy.
Dr. Mohita has really
Yes.
started a new generation of thought, and I hope I had that when I was younger.
Yes.
But I'm so glad to be a part of the society, and congratulations to her, and congratulations to BVI
Yes.
for giving us this platform to
platform.
come and talk in front of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.